Hi, hello there's Radhey. Welcome back to again fourth day of our 30 day of challenges. You know about today is a very better awesome day because especially Sundays. Okay, I think you are be properly do or read practice the very much more better. You are be little bitly more than practice and be habit. This is very wonderful for yourself. Okay, and I am Beginners Kumars and welcome back to Radhe Talks in this section. So very awesome. And before start a video, I go on two lines of motivations. The motivation is very important to our lives. Okay, life is like a notebooks. Life is like a notebooks. The two phase already. The two phase are the already covers or written by God. First phase your birth, and last phase your death. And the center phase are empty. You also so fill of them with loves and so smiles. There are better habit yourself. The center phase you little bit read or returns every day of a little bit. That's why you are be learn some things and you enhance something. Your futures is a very important. But you just present day do something, but you don't recall what happened of futures, but the present is very important. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's start today's session. So very awesome better. I think I have a book, or today I am collected a new book. The name is Mind Setups. Your thinking changing your fulfill your potential is just like the changing the way of you think to fulfill your potential. Your thought is very important. You change the potentiality. Okay, then mindset is a perfect better for your habit. You do something little bit. Okay, I choose of the topic is a first topic very important. The topic is a very important mindset. Why do people different? Why do the people different is very important. Okay, you also be practice the mindset of very important. Okay, let's start as when I was a young researcher just starting out, something happened that changed my life. I was observed with the understanding how people cope with the failures, and I decided to the study it to be watching how the student grapple with the hard problems. So I brought children one at one times to a room in their schools, made them comfortable, and they gave them a series of puzzles to solve. The first ones were the fairly easy, but there be next ones were be hard. As a on students, the grounded or prepares on the toilet, I watched their strategy, the purpose, what they are be thinking and feelings. Okay, now I expected difference among the children in how they have coped with the different, but I saw something I never be expected. Okay, the comfort with these hard flaws. One 10 years old boy pushed off his chair, the rubber his hands and together and smoked his lip, and they cry out, I love a challenges. I love a challenges. Another swearing away to the flaws looked off with a phrase explanations and said with the authority, we know I was hoping with the would be informatives. Okay, what the young with them, what will young with them? I wondered I was through you coped with the failures or didn't cope with the failures. I never thought anyone's loved failures. Where had these aliens children where they have to some things? Everyone has role models. Everyone has role models, and someone who had be pointed to the activity or be moment in their lives. The children were be role models. They have to observe some things. I didn't. I was determined of failures or the figures. Out of the understanding and things of the mindset that could be thrown a fears into failure into. What did you they knows? What did you they knows? That's very important. So what do you do? The they know is a human quality such as a tell culture skills could be a cultivators, and they have to what they were doing. the getting smarter, and be not only the written or discouraged failures didn't even think they were fighting, they throw and they learning something, but you also be learn something, and it's a very habit. Just like I have to be habitually practice to, I just show it about two page of cover one page or right side left side I they read out, but you also be read properly every day. That's very helpful for yourself. Thank you so much for watching the classes. See you next video. Hopefuls and enjoy the special Sunday with your family, and visit outside and a lot of things, enjoy the day of very special day, awesome day. Thank you so much. Jai Jagannath.